YouTube stuff. That one's okay. I got to dump the seeds. It got wet, so I don't like that.
I like it.
This one, I learned, okay? From
That one right here?
Yeah. They kept knocking the straw, so super glue or whatever that stuff is doesn't work. And the way I painted the other one with the spray paint on, putting the little decals inside and then spray painting it after I'm through, works better. Because that looks childish right there.
I like that one. That's a baby
don't
one.
care for that one.
I like that one.
You do?
Yeah.
Well,
It's small and easy.
Okay. Originally, I had made a knot here so that you could lift up the top to pour the seeds in real easy. Oh, that's my favorite. You know, my little brother made me that. First bird feeder.
I did make that, didn't I?
Yes, you did. Sitting around.
I'll be damned, sitting there with corks.
Giggling one day at your house.
Had a good time doing that.
I know.